Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out the Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, a smart cleaning solution that brings powerful suction, self-emptying convenience, advanced navigation, and pet-friendly cleaning performance into one affordable package. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can handle everyday messes without requiring constant maintenance, the Roborock Q7M5 Plus is designed to make home cleaning easier than ever. Upgraded from the popular Q5 Max and series, this model introduces stronger cleaning performance and enhanced convenience features for busy households. One of the biggest highlights is the impressive 10,000 PA suction power. This level of suction allows the Q7M5 Plus to effectively lift dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from hard floors, rugs, and carpets. Whether you're cleaning a small apartment or a larger family home, the vacuum automatically adjusts its performance to tackle different surfaces efficiently. Pet owners will especially appreciate the Dual Anti-Tangle System. Hair wrapping around vacuum brushes is one of the most common maintenance problems with robotic vacuums. Roborock's anti-tangle design helps reduce hair buildup on the brush system, making it easier to maintain and keeping cleaning performance consistent over time. The Q7M5 Plus is not only a vacuum but also a mop. Its integrated mopping system helps remove fine dust and light stains from hard flooring surfaces. This combination of vacuuming and mopping allows users to maintain cleaner floors with minimal effort. Navigation is powered by Roborock's highly regarded PreciSense LiDAR technology. Using laser-based mapping, the robot creates accurate floor plans of your home and intelligently navigates around furniture, walls, and obstacles. This helps improve cleaning efficiency while reducing missed areas and unnecessary repetition. Another major advantage is the self-emptying dock. Instead of manually emptying the dustbin after every cleaning cycle, the robot automatically transfers collected debris into the dock. Roborock claims up to 7 to 9 weeks of hands-free cleaning before the dust bag requires replacement, making it ideal for users who want maximum convenience. The Roborock app provides full control over cleaning schedules, room selection, no-go zones, cleaning intensity, and map management. You can customize cleaning routines to match your home's needs and monitor cleaning progress directly from your smartphone. The sleek black design gives the Q7M5 Plus a modern appearance that fits seamlessly into most home environments. Combined with powerful suction, smart navigation, anti-tangle technology, self-emptying convenience, and mopping functionality, this robot offers excellent value for homeowners looking to automate floor cleaning. Overall, the Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers a strong balance of performance, convenience, and intelligent features. It is particularly appealing for pet owners, busy families, and anyone who wants cleaner floors without spending time vacuuming every day. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check out the product through the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more technology reviews and buying guides.